Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to connect Python and MySQL together to access data inside MySQL. Okay, let's get started. At first, I am going to uh, local PHP admin server of database. Uh, at first, you are going to install this exam control panel, okay, and you should start the services of MySQL and Apache, okay, and then browse here, okay, and then inside SQL you must create your database, okay, you must create your account, sorry, okay. I just created my account, okay. Here you can see uh, my account is Akshay, okay. It will be in localhost, and then I enabled all the global privileges, okay. uh, wait one second guys, I will disconnect my internet, okay. My mobile charge is so low. huh. Okay, and then here you can see edit privileges, okay. I am going to edit my privileges, okay, and I am going to show you how to create your database, okay, sorry, your account, okay. I'm just going to open the documentation of MySQL, okay, uh, or else you can go to MySQL here, SQL, and here see the syntax of creating a database, creating an account is create user, and then I am going to create a new account, okay, in the name of YouTube, okay, YOUTUBE, and then here at localhost, okay, identify by I am going to give my password, and my password will be viewers, okay, and I am going to click on go, okay. Now you can see MySQL return an empty result with 0 rows, and okay, creating user YouTube at localhost identified by viewers, okay. This will be our username, and then this will be our password, and this will be our host, okay. And then if I click on user accounts, now you can see here YouTube localhost, password is there, okay, and then I'm going to edit the privileges, okay. Here I am going to enable everything, okay. I'm going to check all, okay, because I am going to edit it in Python, and then I am pressing go, okay. Okay, you have updated your privileges, okay. If I go to user accounts again, now you can see all privileges are available, and then I am minimizing the things, and then I am going to, okay, I'm going to Python, and then importing the MySQL connector, okay, and then I'm calling my database connector. My host name is, what is my host name is localhost only, and username is actually YouTube, right, YouTube, and password will be viewers. I hope spelling is correct. Yeah, I think spelling is correct, viewers, okay. And then and I should close the braces. No, it's correct, and my cursor will be my database cursor, and I am going to create a database, and I will name it as first data, okay, and I'm going to save this, and then I'm going to run by pressing F5. Now you can see here it output came, but result will be in my database. Okay, I'm just going to open this, and then I'm going to check in my database. Okay, what's my database? Actually, I gave what its name. Let me check once. It's first data. Okay, here you can see first data. Okay, this will be my database. uh, let's create another database. Okay, in the same username and password, and it will be second data. Okay, I will create it as second data. Okay, and I'm going to save this and run, and then I'm going to run module. Okay, and now you can see the database is created. When no error came means database is created, and I'm going to check it, and it will be my second data. Where is my second data? I will refresh this. Now you can see the second data. Okay, like that you can create database inside inside Python, using Python inside MySQL. Okay, I hope you understood something. Thanks for watching, guys. In the future tutorial I am going to show how to use how to modify database inside Python. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.